This wood is made from thin Douglas veneers. It works like CLT, but uses less material. Available in large panels, beams, and columns, it offers good insulation and design flexibility. Built from birch plywood and plexiglass, this tiny cabin in Italy's Alps is created by architects Fabio Vignolo and Francesca Turnaturi. It has clear roof and wall panels for stunning mountain and night sky views. Transparent wood from the University of Maryland is made by removing lignin from wood and filling the structure with a clear polymer. Since it is renewable, it could be useful in buildings, solar panels, and electronics. Sistember Garden offices give you extra space that feels calm. Made from thick, solid wood, they stay warm, quiet, and comfortable year-round. And now we have Brick B, a foldable building system made of modular wooden parts. The pieces pack flat and can be carried easily. Made from untreated spruce, this natural wood fiber insulation reduces mold risk and keeps indoor spaces comfortable. Its tongue and groove design makes installation secure, while its sustainable offers an eco-friendly option for modern construction projects. Cross-laminated timber is a strong, layered wood product used for walls, floors, and roofs. It's made off-site, so construction is faster. CLT offers good fire, sound, and thermal performance. Works in everything from homes to tall buildings. Brock Commons Tallwood House at UBC in Vancouver was once the world's tallest wooden building. But what makes it special is how smartly it was built. Using mass timber, concrete cores, and prefabricated parts, it went up fast. Home to more than 400 students, it shows wood can also work for modern living. And next is a connector for fastening wooden posts to concrete. It fits heights from 5 to 8 inches. Designed for timber columns at least 4.7 by 4.7 inches, it uses secure screws, dowels, and lock nuts, and meets ETA and DIN standards for safe installation.